Welcome back to another vlog. I know I've not been very consistent lately and I'm sorry, I'm embarrassed about it, but I'm really working on it. I feel like I just have not had a lot of creative ideas to share lately, but I do come alive in the summer. I feel like a different creative girl in the summer, so maybe that's gonna change. We've got summer hair out. I have some fun things I wanna share with you guys today. It was just my birthday over the weekend and we celebrated, and I got some fun gifts I thought I'd share. Joshua built me some garden beds. I wanna show you guys those. My mom got me some hokas, which hokas, I feel like it's controversial. Some people love them, some people hate them. I feel like they're actually known as being more of like an old person shoe, but I'm okay with it because I've heard they are so stinking comfy. I know they're like really chunky at the bottom, but I actually prefer a chunky shoe. So I think they're really cute. They come in tons of different like bright fun colors, and I thought it'd be fun for the summer. If you guys do order hokas though, I would say my true size is a 7. I'm normally a 6.5 or a 7 in most shoes. I got these, tried them on, and I have to get a 6.5 in them. So I'm actually gonna return these today. I gotta send them out. And my mom ordered me a new pair and a 6.5, so patiently waiting. It's so funny because my birthday gifts are so granny-ish. I feel like it's like, wow, you are getting old. I got this pickleball bag. This is also a gift from my mom and dad. They really went above and beyond this year. We have a few other pickleball paddles in here, but she got me this one. And Joshua and I played pickleball over the weekend for my birthday, which was really fun. This is the new pickleball paddle. It's from Recess, and they are known for having like the cutest pickleball stuff. It does come with this on it, and guys, you are gonna die when you see this. Okay, this is one side, okay? This is the other side with all the dogs on it. It's so me. Our other paddles that we've been using for the past couple years are Amazon. They're like $10 wood paddles. Felt like I definitely needed a little upgrade, so got a really cute pickleball paddle and bag. Look at how cute this bag is. You can wear it like crossbody, I think, like this, or as a backpack. So it's just really cute. I can link some of this stuff, but I have a little pouch so you can put your phone, keys, all that stuff. Already used it and I love it. So besides the garden beds that Joshua got me and made for me over the weekend, he also got me some really cute hats. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I'm a hat girl. I'm usually always wearing a hat, specifically 47 hats. Normally I have either like an LA or a New York one on. These hats were so cute because they're dog version. If you go on their website, they have like every dog on there. So whatever dog you have, you could get a little one on here. They had a golden doodle one. It only came in the navy color. So that's the golden doodle. But Joshua ended up getting me the golden retriever one too, because he's like, I feel like this one looks more like our dogs. And I like this color actually, maybe even more than the navy. But he also got me a navy golden retriever one too. So I've actually already worn both of these. I love them. Anything with like a dog on it or dog mom, anything, I'm usually obsessed with. What else did the birthday girl get? My sister-in-law got me a bird feeder. Look at how beautiful this is. She got it at Lowe's. She left the receipt in it too. I'll tell you how much it was. $24.18. And it's a little church. So stinking cute, right? I have 0 bird feeders on the property, and it's so funny because my brother and sister-in-law, they love feeding the birds and they get so into it. And I've never really been that into it, but they've been talking me into it for a while. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted something about birds like always in our wreath or whatever, and they're like, okay, so it seems like you're ready for bird feeder. So yeah, I just gotta get some bird food now. So super adorable and really sweet. I can link a few of these things, probably the hats. Well, whatever I can link, I'll link it below. But anyway, I do have to go to the post office today because I need to return these because my mom has another pair coming. I have a Poshmark order that I have to ship out today too. But I'm in my overalls because I'm a garden girl now, okay? I want to show you guys my garden. I'm so excited about it. Well, it's not a garden yet. We just have garden boxes. And I don't know what I'm doing, but I want to show it to you guys because I'm excited. Come on, dude. You come outside. I don't know if you guys will remember this, but if you go back to when we first bought the house, there was like this gazebo here. We got rid of that. Because it has this pea gravel here, it's literally perfect to do a garden here. I really didn't know what to do with it for a little while. But then I was like, a garden will be perfect. If you guys have been following along with this goldfish journey too, it's pretty much a nightmare. I cannot even show that. It's a work in progress. It's been a work in progress for 2 years. We did cedar boxes. I think cedar is supposed to be one of the best things to use for garden boxes because of how it holds up, like in rain and things like that. So we heard things about getting like pressure treated too. I don't know if this is still a thing or not, but we heard that like pressure treated wood, like the chemicals could get into your veggies and things like that. So dude, it's really a constant battle of trying to keep the dogs from eating the fish. But pressure treated wood, okay, we heard that some of the chemicals could maybe get into the veggies. I don't know if that's still a thing or not, but wanted to go the safe route, just get cedar. We did them pretty tall too. I think these are, I think they're 16 inches tall. So pretty tall. And now we're thinking of doing another one over here too. Here's the plan. Judy, what are you doing? Come on. We're planning with hopefully in the next week. I want to get rid of these little pavers and I want to do square pavers, and I want to do them like all the way around the boxes, and then like I said, we'll probably do another box back there and do pavers around there. So just give it like a more finished look. And then obviously I have to fill the beds. So I got to get like my soil and compost and obviously the veggies to do that. It is so bright out. It's so beautiful out. I think we want to do tomatoes, cucumbers, maybe some peppers, maybe green beans. I want to do some lettuce. I think that's it. What are you guys doing? They are loving the nicer weather. So things I still have to figure out is like which veggies can be planted with what. I think there's kind of a science to that too. So I am learning. She's garden girl now and she's figuring it out. Hi guys, are you ready for some veggies? Some veggies will be nice, huh? Don't eat them all. I think this will be even just like a fun hobby. So I'm excited. Hopefully I didn't get myself into too much. Hopefully I'm able to make this garden thrive and ignore all the rakes. But in my last video, I was showing you guys how I did this faux little pot. I'm obsessed with it. My sister-in-law even loved it so much that we went to Michael's and we literally got the same exact setup. She got a different pot, but she loves it too. It's just so great. And then I actually did another pot out by the barn. I don't know if you can see it way out there, but I did another one. Those are just hydrangeas, and at Michael's those are like the water resistant ones. So yeah, I think it just gives a little color over there. Just arrived at Lowe's Garden Center area. I do want to say, if you are a garden girl, give me all your tips. What do I need? I was looking at aprons last night. I'm like, do I need a garden girl apron? Maybe some garden gloves. I think today I want to look at the pavers to see what the paver situation is. Maybe get a couple and just see how they look. I definitely would not get all of them without Joshua's help. Maybe get a couple if they have any that I like so I can get a visual what the paver situation is gonna look like. I think I need to get some compost, some soil, and I don't know that I'll get the veggies here or not. I also need to get some bird food too. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I might have a Lowe's haul for you. That's what this channel's turned into. This was not on my list of things to get today, but they have some really cute like garden benches. How cute is that? And bird baths, which now I'm like, I feel like I need a bird bath. Those are $59, $54. They have a bunch of really cute bird baths. So now I feel like I might need one. Okay, I have no idea how many of these I'll actually need. So I'm gonna start with 4 of the cow manure. Oh boy. What have I gotten myself into? If you do a garden, do you also do these weed barriers? Let me know if it's necessary, if I need to get any of that. I'm not gonna get it today. I'm gonna wait for your comments. But I got 2 pavers. I'm gonna see if I like these 2, take it home, or I don't know, maybe these are kind of cool. These I think are too small. This was like the best size. I thought they're just that size but plain. The only other one I thought was kind of cool was maybe something like that, maybe? Like that shape? I don't know. Got all my stuff in. Here's my little Lowe's haul. All my soil, which all the bags are popping open. So I think the goal will be to get this all done. Probably have some veggies in here by the weekend, which this weekend is Memorial Weekend. So that's my goal. Also got some bird food. We will put that in our bird house. I didn't know what kind of bird food to get, so I just got this. I wanted to take you guys out of the sun, but this was probably my most favorite purchase. It was only like $17. It's called a shepherd hook, and you can put hanging baskets on it or bird feeder. I thought it might be nice for when we're just like sitting back here, and then to maybe have the hook right here. If it's all the way out there in a tree, I feel like it'll be kind of far away. So I'm gonna see how this looks. Although it'll be probably right at dude's height, and I don't know what he's gonna do, if he's gonna try to go after all the birds or what. So that will be very interesting. If squirrels come up, he definitely will be going after the squirrels. So we'll see how this new bird feeding venture goes. What do we think? I think it looks so cute. I think I want to get, because I got the double hook, they also had single hooks. I think I want to get a little hanging plant, like an actual real plant, to go on the other side, and I think it's going to be really nice. I think I forgot to show you guys the pavers too, over by the garden boxes. And the sun is just shining bright over here, so that'll be great for the garden, but you can see a pretty big shadow right now. Okay, these are 16 by 16 inch pavers. I actually wanted the 20-inch ones, but they didn't have those at my store. I'd have to order them online. They had 24-inch ones there, but they seemed a little too big. What do we think of the 16-inch ones? So the plan would be all the way through there, all the way around here, and then if we do another garden box back there, they would go all around there too. I know they have to be sort of buried in the stones a little bit better, but what do we think? I'm getting a little grubby because I was just blowing off the patio and everything, but I'm just getting so excited for summer. Things are really coming along out here, so I'll keep you guys updated on everything. I'll keep you updated on the birdhouse because dude has already kind of been on the lookout with that. I have a feeling whatever comes over to this birdhouse, he's gonna scare it away. I'll keep you updated on the garden boxes, the pavers, all of it. Definitely, if you are a garden girl, give me all the tips. Let me know what blogs to read, what to do, what plants to plant together. I would love to hear it because I am very new to this. I'm even nervous about filling them up because I'm like, okay, once I fill them up, it's official. And hopefully next video, I will have actual vegetables in my garden boxes. So hope you guys are doing great. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.